Hello, and welcome to your video discussing the order of operations. The order of operations is a very important mathematical topic that you will see tested over and over again, both on my tests for you and on standardized tests. So this is an important thing for you to pay attention to. What the order of operations does is it tells you how to go about solving a math problem. So let's say that I give you this problem. 3 plus 5 times 2. Do you know what the answer is? Go ahead, I'll wait. Okay, so the answer is 13. Now, maybe you got 13 as your answer, but I'm guessing a bunch of you are saying, what? 13 is not the answer? 16 is the answer. To which I say, no, you're wrong, and that's why you're watching this video. What the order of operations does is it tells us what order we have to do these math steps in. And the rules are this. The first thing that you do is look for any parentheses. Parentheses have to be done first. The second thing that you do is you look for any multiplication or division. And the third step in the order of operations is to look for any addition and subtraction. So it's parentheses, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. You can remember this, P, M, A. That's parentheses, multiplying, and adding. Parentheses, multiplying, and adding. Okay, so let's take a look at how this works with that same problem we just did. So here we have 3 plus 5 times 2. And remember, we're going to be looking for parentheses, multiplying and dividing, and then adding and subtracting. Those are our 3 steps. So there are no parentheses here. You'll see there's no parentheses here. So we're going to skip that part, and then we're going to go directly to part 2, which is multiplying or dividing. Do you see any multiplying or dividing here? Yes, right here. This step gets done before anything else. So we will rewrite this problem as 3 plus 5 times 2, which is 10. Now all we have left is the addition. 3 plus 10 is 13. That's why your answer is 13. Let's try another one. Let's say I said to you that we were going to do 6 plus 9 times 4 plus 1. What does that equal? Okay, I'll be quiet. You think. All right, so keeping in mind our steps, we have parentheses. We have no parentheses here, so we'll just skip that. Multiplication or division. Ah, yes, I see this multiplication going on right here. So we will do that part of the problem first. So I will just rewrite 6 plus 9 times 4 is 36 plus 1. Now I've completed the multiplication and division parts. So now I can do any plussing and minusing, any addition or subtraction, which in this case is easy. It's 6 plus 36 plus 1, which is, I think, 43. And that is your final answer. Now, if there are parentheses, then it becomes, I think, easier because parentheses always kind of stand out. Let's say we have this problem. We have 2 plus 6 in parentheses times 8. What do we do here? Well, the first step is to do the parentheses. Remember, it's parentheses, then multiplication and division, and then finally addition and subtraction. So first we do the parentheses. 2 plus 6 is 8 times 8. So 64 is your answer. Okay, let's kind of do a hard one. All right. What if we said 3 times 6 minus 3 plus 9 times 4 minus 1? And we'll put that in parentheses. What do we do here? All right, well, our first step is to do our parentheses. So everything else I'm just going to keep the same. But I'm going to solve what's in parentheses. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Now that I've eliminated the parentheses, I'm going to move to multiplication and division. Here we have some multiplying, and here we have some multiplying. These parentheses I could just leave off altogether because nothing is happening with them, right? It's just a plain 3 on the inside. Okay, so 3 times 6 is 18 minus 3 plus 9 times 3 is 27. So I have 18 minus 3 plus 27. Well, 18 minus 3 is 15 plus 27, and now this is hard math to do in my head. 42 is the answer. Oops, there you go. 42 is the answer. So again, first parentheses, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. That is how you handle the order of operations.